Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can change your app icons after iOS 18 or newer. And this is very simple. I want to change this Facebook application in a black one, and I will show you as quick as possible how to do this. Alright, first we go to Safari because we want to choose an icon or logo that we want to use. I want to use this nice logo right here. So hold our finger on this picture and then do save to photos. From here we need to go to the App Store, click on that, and we want to download the app Shortcuts. So click on Shortcuts, and right here we want to download this app just right here. So I already downloaded it, but if you didn't, please do it. So I will tap on Open right now. And if you can see, this is the screen that you will see. From here, we want to tap on the plus icon and we want to tap on Open App. Then from here, click on the app right there, search for Facebook and then click on Facebook. Then do Done. From here, click on the three dots just right there and we want to click on the share button right in the bottom. From here we scroll to Add to Home Screen, and this is exactly where the magic happens. From here we can change the title, so we want to change it to Facebook. And if we tap on this picture just right here, now we can choose a photo for our application. So click on Choose Photo and then click on the Facebook logo and now do Choose. Alright, if we do Add right now and we go back, you can see that we just created our own Facebook application logo. And if we want to delete the older one, we can hold Facebook, then do Remove App and then do Remove from Home Screen, and then we have only our new Facebook application. Alright, if you have questions, please comment them below because then I can help you out. And then for now, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then thanks for watching.